Chris is asking if it's possible to have two monitors connected to Filmora. And yes, it is. So let's go ahead and show him how. Yes, it's definitely possible to record, or rather to edit on dual monitors. You just connect your second monitor to the computer and then go up here to screen layout. And you can choose between any one of these different layouts, and the last one is a dual monitor. If you do that, then you will get this view on your first monitor. And let me just drag the other one over, which is right here. This is what the second layout would look like. Okay, it's coming from a smaller monitor, so let me just stretch it out. If your monitors were the same size, then they would look like that. Oh, it disappeared on me. There we go. And so anyway, that would be the one monitor, and maybe I can just make them half size here. We can see them both in the same picture. I don't know if I can do that. Oh, I might be able to do it. There we go. But that's not the only thing you can do. You can also move things around. I'm going to switch back to a single layout mode. Don't forget you have classic mode. Classic mode gives a lot more access to the screen. Here, let's just drag it up right there and drop it in. Okay, so well, there is one other kind of a semi-hidden feature, and it, for me right here, it works better when I'm in the classic view. But basically, you can grab the header of any panel and you can move it around. And when you see its original location pop up like this, you let go of it, and it's back there. So panels can be moved around. And again, it's easier for me to click on it in the classic view. We can grab it, move it around, drop it back. Likewise, we can grab the timeline, move it up here in the middle. So it may be that, hey, you know, for just a short period of time, I need to work on the timeline here a little more. And anyway, that's just another way that you can move things around. I don't know if you like that, but it's there.